everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How you guys all doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Or if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to stay connected to me. So today I'm really excited. I wanted to do a comparison between the old medium Leboy and the medium classic double flap. So if you guys are interested in this type of video, just keep watching. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Also, stay tuned until the end. I do have a small unboxing that I purchased from Louis Vuitton. So be sure to check that out. Alright guys, let's get started. Hey guys, so I just brought my camera down to show you guys a closer look at my bags. First, I'm going to share with you guys what each bag looks like and their measurements, and then we'll do a comparison. So just very quickly, this is the old medium Leboy in lambskin with gold hardware. The measurements are 25 centimeters across, 15 centimeters height, and 9 centimeters depth. There are no pockets at the back. The strap measures about 20 centimeters long. This is what the strap looks like. So the one thing I noticed is the hardware on the bag, the gold hardware on the bag is actually a lot yellower and a deeper tone of yellow than the strap itself. You definitely won't be able to notice it on camera, but in real life you do notice it. Like me personally, when I wear it, I do notice it. It kind of bothers me, but at the same time, who's really looking that close? Not a lot of people know this for a fact, but you can actually adjust these bags. All you have to do, if you notice these two little lines, they give you room to move these tabs. Just like that, you are free. You can actually remove the entire strap and pretty much carry this bag so you can pretty much remove the entire strap and use this as a small little clutch if you wanted to. That might be a great idea. I don't know, maybe one day I'm going to try it. But then again, I have to be very considerate because this is a lambskin, so I definitely don't want to scratch it. If I wanted to, I guess I can stop it here and make my strap longer. But then again, you have that small tab here that's going to be in the way of the rest of the strap. Also, if I wanted to make it shorter and have it here, it might be kind of awkward because there is another tab here. So what I'm personally thinking, the way they designed this is for you to take it off completely and use the Leboy bag as a clutch, or pretty much use it as a regular bag as you see it in stores. That was super easy. Okay, so the way you open this bag, very simple. You clasp these two and it lifts. Open it. There's a tiny little pocket at the back, which is pretty useless because it's so small and very tight. I would only put maybe my ID and some cash in there. Otherwise, you can't really put anything else in there. And the bag on the inside is completely black, woven in canvas. This is how you close the bag. Just grab the bottom of the bag, like the small little lip here, line up the hole, and click. There you have it. Okay guys, so this is my medium classic double flap. This was made around 2009 to 2010. The measurements are pretty close to the old medium Leboy. So just very quickly, it measures about 25.5 centimeters across, about 16 centimeters height, and about 7.5 centimeters depth. The strap measures about 17 inches long. So this bag has a small pocket at the back. I usually don't put anything in here. I used to put my phone back there when I had like the iPhone 5, but now I have the iPhone 7 Plus and there's no way it fits in there. Well, it does fit in there, but I wouldn't put it in there. Open it by turning the kiss lock, and then it releases. It has a small pocket on the flap, a small pocket inside the back here, and it is completely black. This bag is actually discontinued. They don't make the classic flap with the black interior anymore, and there was rumors saying that around 2009 these bags were gilded in 24 karat gold. As you can tell, the color of my gold is a very deep yellow. So, I mean, that's just a rumor. I don't know that for a fact, but it's pretty nice to own. Okay, so there's a pocket here. A middle pocket has two pockets here, a lipstick compartment. Super duper cute, all leather on the inside. Made in France. So a comparison between the bags, they're pretty much the same height. This one is a little bit thicker to the side, and because this is a double flap, you won't be able to fit as many things as you would in the Leboy. However, this is Caviar and this is Lambskin, so you do the math. The height is pretty much the same, except the medium is a little bit taller. The Leboy is thicker, like I said. But other than that, they are pretty much the same bag. And I just love it in gold. As you can tell, I'm pretty much obsessed with gold at this point. Hey guys, so here's my unboxing. I just wanted to share with you guys very quickly before I end this video. Ta-da! So I decided to get the Demi Urban Agenda in GM size. I did get the refills, the Louis Vuitton refills, because I just thought it was super duper cute when I saw it in stores. And I'll show you what that looks like. I think this is the best part. Louis Vuitton sticky notes. Super duper cute. I love it. The only thing I would say I'm disappointed about is they used to include rulers and a pen when you buy these refills, but they have recently discontinued that, so I'm really disappointed. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.